This is John with FixYourDirtBike.com, and this is how to install the cylinder head on your 1994 through 2001 Yamaha YZ125. You can find my full top-end service video as well as parts and tools linked below. Double check the mating surface for cleanliness. Install your new O-rings. Mount your cylinder head and install the mounting nuts finger tight. I am installing my nuts with ARP Ultra Torque. This is a lubricant that ensures accurate torque values by reducing friction between the nut and the mounting surface. I probably don't need it for this application, but I'm extra. Torque the mounting nuts in the same crisscross pattern, turning the nuts 1/4 turn at a time until you reach torque. Torque the mounting nuts to 21 foot-pounds. Install the hanger plates and torque the bolts to 25 foot-pounds. This is where I would show mounting my hanger plate. If I had one! Install the spark plug and torque to 15 foot-pounds. I don't have it on video, but trust me, I totally torqued my spark plug. If you need any help or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or shoot me a DM. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.